Hello, lettering friends. I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. As we are coming to the end of the year, I have a few things that I wanted to share with you. First of all, I got a new microphone. I hope this helps the audio so certain sounds don't get so strange sometimes. If you hear a difference, let me know. If you want to see what my filming supplies are, I'll link them in my Amazon favorites below. Also, I have a Skillshare class all about lettering videos specifically. Also, thank you so much for being here. I know I say it in every video, but I really mean it. I'm so grateful for your uplifting comments and when you share your insights or ideas. To thank you, I have a sale on all of my lettering workbooks right now, just until the day after Christmas. All the details are in the description box. I thought to end the year, this would be a great time to show you the workbooks I have with some satisfying lettering. I have some ideas of new workbooks coming next year, but if there is anything you specifically want to learn from me, let me know. And stick around to the end of this video for some satisfying pen ASMR in a little surprise design. All right, the workbook that's been the best seller this year is Hand Lettering for Beginners. It has everything I wish I knew as a lettering beginner. This workbook has more than just practice sheets. It also has helpful tips and techniques like how to hold your brush pen, the basic strokes, and tips for practicing. It has the most basic alphabet that anyone can master in lowercase and uppercase. It's helpful in the beginning to be able to start with one simple style as you practice and get more comfortable with the brush pen. This workbook might be right for you if you just want to learn all of the basics really quickly instead of searching everywhere and watching all of the different tutorials. This workbook has it all in one place. All the things that I wish I knew as a beginner. I also have a beginner's course that goes along with this workbook if you would like video instruction along with practice worksheets for those of you who are visual learners, and I will link that below. This next workbook is Fearless Lettering, and it's 123 pages long, so it's definitely the next level up. It has a brief overview of the basics, and then it walks you through a process of creating your own confident lettering style. It has some guided journaling prompts, coloring pages, and activities to help you hone in on your unique style. It also has my popular 26 ways to letter worksheets for large and small brush pens. This workbook might be a good fit for you if you are ready for the next level. Maybe you know the basics of lettering, but now you can't seem to figure out how to find your style or feel good about your lettering. This workbook has helped people to feel confident in their own lettering and see the things that make them unique. The next workbook is all about faux calligraphy, which is my favorite because you can use any pen to do faux calligraphy. This is a pretty simple workbook with some helpful hints about faux calligraphy and then lots of practice, including lowercase, uppercase, days of the week, months of the year, and numbers. This workbook is great for you if you aren't ready to invest in brush pens yet, or you want to improve your faux calligraphy specifically. If there are certain aspects about faux calligraphy that you struggle with, this workbook will help you out. The next workbook is the Ultimate Lettering Connections. It's the ultimate source because it shows you how to connect any combination of letters in several different styles. This workbook is for you if you are moving on from being a beginner, but you are struggling connecting certain letters. This is such a great resource because I give you several different ideas so you can decide what style you want to use in your own lettering. Connecting to R tends to be really tricky, so there's a whole page of all different combinations. The last workbook I'll share with you is my newest one. It's a lettering style practice workbook where I give you some style ideas and then practice pages for you to come up with styles on your own. This one is very simple. It's the right fit for you if you are ready to branch off on your own. You don't want to be practicing someone else's font styles anymore, but you need a little direction to start thinking of your own styles. That's what you're going to get in this workbook. Okay, that's it. Thank you again for being here and making this year so fun and full of lettering. In the new year, I have more tutorials and brush pen reviews coming, as well as satisfying lettering and maybe some more pen ASMR. If you have any requests of things that you want to see more of, let me know. It's very helpful. And now I will leave you with some pen ASMR just in time for Christmas. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.